Huge thanks to Techlife for sending me these scooters for testing, and as usual you get 5% off with the Wrong Way code on the Techlife product page. Hello and welcome to Wrong Way. And today 2 packages have arrived at my doorstep and they're both from Techlife. I don't know what they are yet. You will find out along with me what's inside. So let me tell you more about it. Wrong Way. Okay, so let's open these up. And as said, I have no idea like what's inside. The guys from Techlife just told me that should be nice quality. And oh boy, come look here. This looks nice. Let's see what it is. There's some big tires. Okay, here we have the charger, probably. That will be the first clue. Okay, looks like a laptop charger. And here we have the XLR port. It's not for a microphone, it's the charge port, obviously. 2 amp charger, 42 volt. So, should be like a Xiaomi. A nominal battery voltage should be 36 volts. And yeah, let's take it out. We got some wheels here. So you can just, pull it around. See, tiny wheels. How can we unlock this? Probably here. Okay. I think these are like 10-inch wheels. Okay, pretty wide handlebars. We have a thumb throttle, like in the Xiaomi M365. Brakes, front and rear. Wow, that's nice. So they didn't provide me with any like pricing, any specs, nothing. I have no idea what it is. It's a Techlife. This is the L5. It's the L5, okay. And it has a front light. So it's something important always to have. It's important to always have some, lighting in your electric device, because yes, we do ride electric devices in the night. Look at that! Suspension here. Could be even a air shock. Nice. And front springs. Disc brakes front. Disc brakes in the rear. Let's see the specs. So it's a 13 amp hour unit. So we have around 500 watt hours, maybe a bit more, like the Ninebot Max or between the Ninebot Max and the Xiaomi M365 Pro. 350 watt motor, nominal power. Charging time 3 to 5 hours, and the weight is 20 kilograms. The rest just tells you about, what to do and what to not do with your electric scooter. So let's leave that aside. So here we have a display. Oh,
the light on.
The light is on. Cool. Okay. Oh look, actually the light is like profiled, so it doesn't like shine on the cyclists that are on the cycling path. That's pretty cool. Oh, look at that suspension. Come on, look at that. That's soft. Nice. Okay, so I can show you the display here. You have a couple modes. Eco, mid and high. Probably I'll leave it at the high all the time. You have a bell on this side. Super cool, super loud. And yeah, so that's the Techlife L5. Oh look, and there's also a bright light in the rear. Is there a brake light? No brake light in the rear. This is the Techlife L5 and it has what? These are tube tires, 10 inches. 10 inches big, 2.5 inches wide. Probably same thing in the rear. Yeah, same thing in the rear. Yeah, this looks like it would be pretty comfortable. I'm curious to find out. Okay, let's unbox the second one. Okay, should be pretty similar. Oh, look at that! We have a seat! I wanted to try a seat out on a scooter for a long time, even though you might not have expected this, but I'm actually a fan of seats and I'm curious how a scooter like this will perform with a seat. I think it will be like really funny and agile to ride a scooter with a seat. So we have a charger again, probably same story. Yeah, exactly the same thing. User's manual and a key. Oh my god! You see this? I think these are blinkers. So now you don't have to buy the Speedway 5, which costs like $2,000 to get blinkers, or visible blinkers like on the Dualtron X. You can buy this instead. Alright. You know, if you buy a scooter like the Dualtron X just for the blinkers. Turn signals. Okay. So we can unfold this guy as well. Boom. Footrest. Same story here. But yes, look at this. It has actually blinkers. I'm too curious to find out. I have to turn it on. Oh my god. It even has the blinker sound. Yeah, we have to, I think, mount it in the back here. Okay, let's find out. People get excited about power, about the top speed, acceleration, but blinkers! Come on! I know you can get like turn signals on AliExpress or whatever for not a high price, but I like stock stuff. Like, I don't like to mod stuff. I like to have stuff that is already good when I buy it. I think it's a different light, or is it the same? No, it's the same, right?
It's different.
It's different, yeah, it's bigger. I think it's brighter. Okay, still, so there's a different light here. There's more stuff. Mirrors! Okay, dude. Now, I'm getting a German vibe here. You know, if you're living in Germany, then you can relate, because in Germany, and now they passed a law where you can ride a scooter, like a Kickscooter, but it needs to be registered and it has to go no faster than no 20 kilometers an hour actually. 20.
Even.
Yeah, you can't go faster than 20 because you know 20 is like a ridiculous. It has a horn! Come on, this is like a pimped out scooter. It looks a bit funny, but I get the point. I'm a fan of mirrors. I mean, these are totally big and opulent, but I'm a fan of mirrors. Okay, so mirrors are installed. I will, you know, adjust them later. But here, oh, look at that. So this is the mount for the seat. Oh, so I can connect it here, and here I can put on the seat. How fantastic! Come on, seat, get in here. Okay. Okay, seat is in, and I think there's also a space for the number plates here. Let me give you number plates on the scooter. So this looks like a scooter that would be like street legal for some countries. I don't know. In Poland we don't care because here you can ride anything. Techlife L5! Yeah, and we assembled it. So the two scooters have actually the same parameters when it comes to the battery size and the motor power. Only difference is the seat and turn signal in the mirror. Alright, so this was the, yeah, sometimes you have to, you know, be nice to the camera operator and order some good food for her. So anyways, this was the unboxing of Techlife L5. Very curious to find out how they drive, how they, you know, how they behave on the road. Suspension looks pretty nice. I'm really a fan of, you know, this contraption. It's really nice to see mirrors on a scooter, a horn, turn signals, lighting, everything you basically need for like street driving. So yeah, if you're still here, thank you. Leave a like on the video, stay subscribed to see reviews and more content about scooters, and I'll see you in the next video. See you soon.